Hello everyone. So today we are here with a new learning video where we have a problem. So that problem is whenever we add a new item to the repeater, and if that newly added item creates a new page, that item should be displayed in the new page, and that should be the current page. Okay, so here we will try to explain the problem visually. Currently, there are 10 items on this page, and we have set the pagination limit 10 items per page. So if we add 11th item, that will be creating a new page. Okay, so let's try. Okay, and right. So if we click on this add button, it should add this item as 11th item, and that should be displayed on page 2 because the 11th item will create page 2 because of our condition that we have set only 10 items per page. Okay, so if we click on this one, yep, so the problem is solved. So what we wanted to achieve was whenever we add an item to the repeater, if that item creates a new page, that item should be displayed in the new page. So here you could see page 2 up to. So let's keep on adding it. Okay, so we added 10 more items. So we already have 20 items. So let's create 99. And when we click on this add record button, it will create page 3. And this page should be also displaying the current item that we have just added, and it should display the page 3. Okay, let's click. Yep, so achieve that. Actual market value 99 and then page 3 of 3. So we have prepared a simple video on how we can achieve this one, and let's see directly without any further delay on how to achieve this. Okay, so we have this repeater. So this is the first name. Okay, okay. So we have also added the tooltip over here. Okay, so okay, another tooltip. So hint text over here, first name, last name, and score. That way it will be easier for you to identify what value will go in which of those fields. Okay, so the headers have been added. We have the sample data over here. So that's the default value from Axure Repeater itself. And we have just copied a few to create 10 items on this page. Okay, so our goal is to add the new item to this repeater. And if that item creates a new page, we should display that item in the new page. Okay, we have already seen what was our goal, and we have already achieved that. Now let's check it into the real implementation of how we achieve that. Okay, so we have those navigation buttons over here. So that just navigates the repeater to the previous page, the next page. So we have not added any condition over here. So this is the label pagination info that displays the pagination information, let's say page 1 of 1, page 1 of 2, or those kind of information. So we have not fixed that with those buttons. So you can add the logic and display it correctly once we click on that one. So that's not been implemented on that one. So what we did is once we click on this add record button, we have added those inputs to this repeater. So sample repeater add one row, and we have added one row over here. Okay, so we have the variables in there, first name, last name, and score. Okay, so that's done. Then after, what we did is we moved this field by 0, 0. Okay, here you can see that. So 0, 0. And we added the text on this one. So label page index and info to page index of page count. That means what page are we in at the moment versus how many pages are there in the repeater. Okay, so that's what it will display in over here. And once this is moved, what it does is that it will change the sample repeater's current page to the page count. So for example, if a newly added item creates a new page, It will just set the current page as that newly added page. So that's how we have achieved this one. And on the page load, we have also added sample repeater to Albert page count so that it gets refreshed whenever the page is refreshed, and also the text on this one so that we have the correct information over there. So that's how we can achieve this particular condition. And there are a few other ways also. So this is one of the quickest and easiest way that we can implement. And if you like it, you can implement the same logic on your prototype also. And let us know if you'll have any questions related to this implementation. Thank you.